Hello friends, welcome to Ultropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 55-inch LED TV that comes to repair for backlight related fault. For replacing the backlight, when I tried to take down the panel, here I found that the top portion of the panel is sticked using a double side tape. So here I take a thin sheet from an old LVDS cable and inserted at one corner, then slowly wiped and slided to the end to remove the gum from the glass panel. You can apply this method. You should be very careful. Take enough time and slowly slide this sheet for removing the gum. Full video regarding this TV repairing is coming soon on our channel. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.